In this video, we will be looking at the anchor element that comes included in the OctoMono app. The anchor element will allow you to link to specific elements, either on the same page or another page within your website. We will start by dropping an OctoMono element on the page and access the dashboard. Inside this dashboard, we will select the anchor element. There are no settings available for this element. There are two input fields in the left settings bar. The first one, the anchor name, which needs to be a unique name, which you will only be using once on the same page and preferably on your site. Do avoid the use of numbers and strange characters. Try to be specific as well, so there won't be a conflict with possible elements that already exist on your page. In this case, we will call it Contact Form Home. You can see we used camel case here, mixing lower and upper case to have better readability. In the second field, you need to input your page URL. To avoid any conflicts, make sure to copy it from the browser's address bar. Do make sure to grab the URL from the page the anchor was included to, not just the global domain name. Once we added those two settings, we can click the Save button and go back to the Weebly editor. You will now see, within your editor, a block called Anchor Element. This block contains two links. One to be used whenever linking to this element from within the same page, and the second to link from another page to this specific block. We'll have a look on how we can link to this block from within the same page. We will drop the anchor block above the contact form section on our page and copy the URL for linking on the same page. Now we will paste the link in the button element located in our header section. Once the link was added correctly, we will publish our site and go to the live site to test our anchor. All seems to be working fine. Now we will test the element linking to our contact form from another page on our site. We will grab the second link provided in the anchor box and go to another page on our site. Again, we will use the Weebly link option and add it in the website URL field. We will publish the site again and head over to the live page. All seems to be working fine again.